Hi guys, I'm Asif Ali and watching CGHOW video. Today I created this butterfly effect, and the special thing is I did it in Sprite using sprites and single emitter. So there's not a special material for world position offset. The animation is done within the sprite using the alignment and facing. So as you know, I'm covering all my all tutorial in UE5 because all tutorial in Cascade and in all version of Niagara. So I want to update all my all tutorials. So today we will cover this butterfly. And 4 years ago, I did it also use material for offsetting the world position offset in material. So basically the animation of butterfly is depend on the material here. But now because we have Niagara, Niagara is sufficient enough to animate the butterfly within the Niagara, so we don't need to do anything in material. So let's do it. So first I'll just create a material M, and this will be butterfly. Okay, and let's open this, and before butterfly I'll just use an arrow texture. Okay, so we have this arrow,